My name is Avantika Tiwari. In 2023, I have completed my Bachelor's of Business Administration with Human Resource Specialization from KIIT School of Management, Bhubaneswar, Odisha. I'm from Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh. I have born and brought up in Kanpur, and there are 3 of us in my family: my father, my younger brother, and me. And the story that I have is I had my stories with my grandmother. Like, she was very sporty and she used to play a lot of games with me. So that is my fun story with her. I'm doing postgraduate diploma in relationship banking. After the completion of this course, I aspire to become a successful and efficient banker in Kotak Mahindra Bank. While I was doing my BBA, I got a little interest in banking industry, so that drew me to the banking field. I choose MABFSI as it is a great learning platform to start my career with. In MABFSI, they have the faculties are really great over here, and they taught us a lot of things in a very easy way, and that is the main factor that made my life easy and efficient. The resources which I got from MABFSI is my tab. Like, this is one of the best sources that I've received. It made my work efficient and easy. I believe all the faculties have inspired me because all the faculties are really great over here. They all have great experience in the banking, and they all have shared their banking experiences with us, which really inspired me. My favorite story in MABFSI is we got one activity to meet our peers from the other verticals. That is one of the that is my favorite story over here, because I found it very interesting, and that activity. In that activity, we had to meet our peers, like other verticals from HDFC, Axis, and ICIC. So that was really interesting, and that boosted my confidence, and it gave me courage to talk to unknown people. Group discussions, real-time faculty, and presentations are my favorite part in learning. As in presentations, we have to speak in the class. That boosted my self-confidence, and it removed my fear of stage. And faculties, they are also really great. They are very friendly to us, and they've taught us a lot of things in very easy way. And groups we did the teamwork. So teamwork is a skill which I learned. One day, Mr. Puneet Kapoor sir visited to our campus for an event, and after hearing him, he became my favorite speaker. There's one latest development in the banking, which is a cardless withdrawal money. We can withdraw the cash without using any cards. We can just use our registered number, and we can withdraw the cash. I have one product idea which I would like to give. That is Kotak Travel app, which is customized only for our customers. It will be like a travel advisor for our customers. They can save monthly amount in the tab, and they can use that amount for their future trips or vacations. There are a lot of activities in the campus, like debate, extempore, out of these, and sports also. So out of these, I have participated in extempore. Extempore activity helped me a lot in many ways. It boosted my self-confidence, and also it removed my public fear. Essential things one should have in a dorm room are first aid kit, scissors, dustbin, and own stationery. For new students, I would like to give the tips that it is a great learning platform for them. They can start their career with MA BFSI, and also the students can surrender themselves to MA BFSI, as they will teach the new students like everything in a very good way. On the weekends, we had sports day on the Saturdays, in which I participated. In the first sports day we had badminton, and in the second sports day we had lot of games like shot pull, and we had march past also, and cricket, volleyball, and carom and chess, and we used to get presentations and assignments. So on weekends we prepare for the presentations also. The favorite places around Bangalore is there's one temple near the HDFC campus. So there's one lake, and after that, after lake, there's one temple over there. So that place I found it my favorite one, as it is a very soothing place and very peaceful. Like for my therapy, for my mind therapy, I usually like to go there. It is a mecca for mecca of learning for the banking professionals. My study spot is my bedroom. My dream job in BFSI is I want to become a branch manager in a very short period of time. According to me, I believe that digital banking will bring a lot of changes in the banking industry, as it has a lot of benefits to the customers as well as for the bankers. It has reduced the workload of the bankers, and it has made the things very easy for the customers as well, because they don't have to stand in a queue, and they don't have to wait for the payments. They can do it instantly. So I believe that digital banking is the one technology. My favorite social media platform is LinkedIn and Instagram. LinkedIn is my favorite because in LinkedIn there are so many accounts which share this life experiences on it, and it inspires me a lot. They share like real life experiences and what is the leadership and how leaders should work. That information I get from the LinkedIn. And Instagram is my favorite because I used to get a lot of news and information from the Instagram. The banking concept which I learned is mutual funds. I found it one of my favorite concepts, because in mutual funds, like there are so many investors who can invest their money, and the investors can earn from the mutual funds. So that concept I found it the best one.